Popeye's snoring was outrageous. It was so loud it startled a mouse. The mouse thought someone was doing construction. Realizing it was Popeye, it pushed him out the window. But Popeye crashed back inside, confused. He thought he was sleepwalking and resumed snoring. The mouse was furious and climbed into his bed. It gave Popeye a wake-up call. Popeye, annoyed, tossed the mouse out. The mouse retaliated by flooding the house. The house was filled with water, floating everything, including Popeye. Popeye woke up in the street, getting a speeding ticket. Back home, he started snoring again. The noise was so intense it woke the mouse again. Popeye set a trap, but the mouse outsmarted him. The mouse pretended to be caught tricking Popeye. Furious at being fooled, Popeye tried to catch the mouse. The mouse ate spinach and became super strong. It approached Popeye, who could only listen to its snoring.